guys, so today we're gonna go to a temple right now it's like early in the morning. I think it's like 6:30 or something. So we're on our way to a temple. It's been so long since I went to a temple, so I'm gonna show you guys around. There's like a beach and everything over there, so I'm kind of excited to go to the beach. So yeah, so I'm wearing a traditional, you cannot really see it, I'll show you when I get there. But yeah, let's go to the temple. We're here, guys. I'll show you the beach. Don't feel like trying. So what the fuck are you on? Whoa, have you been smiling? Seems like too long. Some days I don't feel like trying. So what the fuck you on? Whoa, have you been smiling? It seems like too long. Seems like don't feel like trying. So what? Guys, only a bump. Have you been smiling? Right now, we're walking towards our car. We're gonna go to the beach, then maybe come back. I don't know.